Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix compare compare price does not appear inside the Shopify product page. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can do this in a few seconds. Now first thing you need to do guys is you want to click on markets here on your Shopify store here. Just search here for markets. Now after you click guys on market, you want to select the international and also the local country. So in my case I'm going to start with the international. Now if you scroll down, you will be able to see here compare at price. Click on it and make sure you say hide compare price for your print. Okay, so make sure you deselect this and then click save. Okay, so after that you want to go back and you want to select the local country. It depends on your country, and then scroll down. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so the store market here, so the local country does not have the compared price. Now let me check here if we can see a compared price, if it's showing. As you can see, it's showing here. So that's exactly guys how you can do this. Hopefully this one guys helped you. After you do this, you just need to click on products, click on the product that you want to have compare price. Scroll down and search here for compare price if you can see it here. Okay, so I'm going to select all the variations and search here for compare. Yeah, it's not appearing here, so just click on each variant and let me check. Yeah, each variant, and then you want to scroll down and here is your compare at price. Here you can change it to 400. By the way, you can do this for each variant. Okay, do it for each variant. Okay, so after you do that, you want to click on save. Here is the compare price. Scroll down, go back and find another you want to find another variant. Now we did it for white color, we are going to do it for yellow color and L size. And this is the compare at price. It's 800. I'm going to change it to 400. This is 600. Okay, this is just an example, by the way. I'm going to click on save. Now that's exactly guys how you can do that. Just make sure you click on save. Make sure you save your changes. Now as you can see, if we change the compare price, if we change the color to L, for example, to yellow, as you can see, the compare price is $600. That's what we did here. So you just need to do it for each variant. As you can see, select all these variants and then change the compared price. In this case, 600. Select all of these. Okay, so hopefully this one guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. See you guys next video.